Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Red Dead Redemption game, where I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles based on your choice. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your PC, and once you open it up, from the main menu, just go ahead and click on Settings. Once you are inside the settings page, you will end up within the gameplay section. From here, scroll down and then click on Display, and you will now see various different options, including subtitles. You can simply choose the on or off option based on whether you would like to have it enabled or disabled. If you have it enabled, you can also change the scale of the subtitles. If you choose the lowermost value, then it will make your subtitle appear tiny. And if you choose the highest value, then it will make it appear very big. Just choose your desired subtitle size, and once you are done, you can simply go back from this menu and your settings will be saved right away. On top of the subtitle options, you also have various other display parameters that you can change from within this menu. After applying all of your settings, you can simply go back to the main menu and start playing your game using the play button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles on the Red Dead Redemption game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.